Hey everybody, I'm Jordan with pdq.com. Today we're kind of going over our PowerShell scanner that we added to inventory and mostly the GitHub, the scanners that we have built by our customers and within. We're just going to kind of highlight some of the ones that have been added recently. Hopefully it gives you some ideas if you want to contribute, or if it's something you need. This will tell you how to get it onto your system. So the first part to get access to our repository is you're going to need some version of Git. We have the Git command up here. There's desktop or Git, whichever one works. All right, and then you just need the URL, which this is on the README on the page for the PowerShell scanners on PDQ's GitHub. So we're going to copy that one, and if you see, it just has Git, and then we're cloning. So we're just cloning over all those scanners so we have access to them so we can add them. Looks like I have already added those because they exist. It was good to check before I ran it. But now that we have them, we need to import them into inventory. So it's just options, scan profiles, and import. By default, it's going to save it into the C drive PowerShell scanners. Let me just find that one real quick. And then all that's in here, and system stability. And I believe I already have this one imported, but I'm just kind of highlighting it for you. So you can import that one, and this way, if you go through and you pull down everything, like if you, update all your system from GitHub, it's going to update your scanners for you. So if there's something like error handling added, it'll get it in there. What the system stability does, it gets the system stability index, which is things like installed or uninstalled software, errors for software and hardware. Just basically, it tracks all the things that might indicate there's issues with that system, and it gives it a number between 1 and 10. 10 being it's very secure, and 1 meaning you probably want to take a look at that computer, hopefully before it gets to a 1. All right, so we're just going to go in and choose a random computer. We're going to scan that one with the system stability. So while it's running, so all this is doing is, there's a lot of factors that go into it. It takes those into with the command. It's from a sim instance that it runs, and then we're just basically grabbing the average in the top and the bottom so you can see how it's doing overall. And as you can see on this computer, we don't have our highlighter turned on, but we have a 10s across the board. So bird person, probably because no one uses it and it's just in a lab, is very stable right now. Hopefully this is something you can use, but if it gives you an idea of like, I really want that, feel free to write your PowerShell and then put in a pull request at Git, and we'd love to add it. For pdq.com, I'm Jordan.